Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Hamster Kombat not opening. In today's video, let me show you how to fix Hamster Kombat not opening. First, try clearing the cache, open the Telegram app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings, scroll down to Data and Storage, select Storage Usage, then tap the Clear Cache button. After that, try opening Hamster Kombat again. If it still doesn't open, make sure your Telegram app is updated. Open the Play Store, search for Telegram, and if an update is available, install it. Once updated, open Telegram, search for Hamster Combat, and press play. The app should now launch. If it still fails to open, restart your phone and try again, which often resolves lingering issues. Additionally, ensure your internet connection is stable and that your device has enough free storage, as this can also prevent the app from launching properly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.